Okay, they're on the way to a big surprise. They're getting, I'm not gonna say. Here we have Annie. Hi, Annie.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Hi. How are you?
Margarita
Margarita. Okay, from Apopka.
from a Apopka.
Okay. Oh my God.
Turn your names around so I can see who you are. What's your name? What is it? She's like, I thought she made it. What's your name? What's your name? Dana? Daddy. How old are you? 8. And you? Tyrell. And how old are you? 6. Tyrone, and how old are you? 5. Wow, you're tall for 5. And how old are you? 6. Do you guys, what do you see in front of you? Bicycles? Anything special on the bicycle? What's that bicycle say there? Happy birthday who? Is there a Tyrone in the house? Is that your bike?
Oh, Tyrone. That's your bike, Tyrone.
Is that yours? There you go. Wow, that's your bike.
Don't be shy. If you see your name on your bike, take it.
There you go.
You gotta just a seat, yeah.
All right.
Hey, you gotta really just that seat.
Okay, so where are you?
You want to hold this, Grace?
He's ready, man.